Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. My name is Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful weekend. I am so enjoying it. Got a lot of things to do around the house. I worked all weekend last weekend, working 2 days this weekend. I don't know. Are weekends anything to me anymore? I think they're just work. But you know what? I'm having fun. I love being on the air with you guys, and I love the calls that I get from my friends and, just all you great listeners out there. It's been wonderful. I mean, I've been on the air for well over 20 years and been in the mortgage business for 35 years. And, my life is great. I got challenges just like you do. I got plenty of challenges just like you do. And we work through them. And you know what helps you work through problems better is when you have somebody to help you work them through them and listen to you. Right. So oftentimes, we want to try to just reach in there and help people, but sometimes it's just listening to what their problems are and coming up with solutions, help people solve problems. And that's what we do. I'm solving problems. I basically feel like a problem solver. That's what I do. Mortgage is a byproduct. I get you money to buy a house, but in the meantime, I got to solve your problem, right? I get the calls. I'm self-employed. I have no money. I don't have any money saved, or my credit's not that great and I need help with my credit, or, I don't know how to get the process started, or, I got turned down by my bank. And geez, I hear that all the time. It's funny. If you really wanted the right service, don't you just go to the right place to begin with? So, and I tell you why I say this, if you trust me, if you do, and I don't know if you do or not. I mean, some of my listeners out there trust me implicitly, but some of them, you don't know me. You think I'm just some kind of a sales guy on the radio. Well, I'm not. I'm not. I am. I'm a dad. I'm a husband. I'm a business owner, and I'm a Christian, and I care about people. I've had lots of struggles in my life, as you know, that I lost my folks when I was very young and struggled. And, I'm just like you. I don't have a perfect life, but I have a great life. And at the end of the day, life is perfect. It's perfect for you and what's happening. And we got to make the most of it. And we have to do what we can to help other people. And, Ziglar once said, you can have everything in life that you want if you help enough other people get what they want. And that's what we do. 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. You can reach me. Hey, I promised I was going to talk to you a little bit about condos. So if you own a condo, or you're thinking about buying a condo, or you're a real estate agent, you do not want to be ill-informed as to what's going on. Now, everybody knows there's insurance issues out there. Everybody's screaming and yelling about insurance companies and everything and how the rates have gone up. But when you're buying a condominium, the condominium has to get approved for financing, not just you, the consumer. So if you're going to get a conventional loan, the condominium has to be approved by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. If you're going to get an FHA loan or a VA loan, it has to be approved by Ginnie Mae or HUD. And these condominiums are falling off because they don't have the reserves, because their insurance are going up and they don't have the reserves. And now they have to have these structural inspections, and some of them aren't getting the structural inspections. Well, if your unit falls off the approved list, you've dropped your value significantly, because the average person can't get an average mortgage, and that's not good. So these condominiums are going to have to stabilize. Right now, I am not buying condos. I'm not saying you shouldn't. I'm just saying that when you call me, let's make sure we're keeping you safe, that things are really going to work out well for you, because some of these condominiums, even though they look great, they may not be in the best shape financially based on the way things have gotten. And it's just not uncommon. So my name is Bruce Woodburn. I'm the Lone Ranger. You can call me now at 407-706-3313 or in Tampa at 813-213-4009.